In this module, we're going to refactor parts of the quiz component to a new component named quiz question. To start, we'll create a new file in the src folder named quizquestion.js with capital Q. Like before, we'll import React and the component class from the React library. We'll create a class named quizQuestion that extends component and export default quiz question at the bottom of the file. The quiz question component's render method should contain this HTML that we've provided for you in the task instructions. Now that this HTML is in here, let's flip over to quiz.js and import the quiz question class from the quizquestion.js file. We can replace the div with the class name of quiz question with the actual quiz question component that we just imported. Add a prop to the quiz question component named quiz_question. And for the value, pass quizData.quizQuestions at position this.state.quizPosition -1. Back in quizquestion.js in the unordered list tag, add a child list item tag and set the text there to this.props.quizquestion.answerOptions at position 0. In the paragraph tag a few lines above, replace the comment with this.props.quizquestion.instruction text to display the text of the question. Now, if we switch to a terminal and type npm start, instead of just seeing the quiz question text, which we still see, we're also seeing a list item tag with the number 5, which is the first answer option in that set of answer options from the quizdata.json file.